वास्को स्पोर्ट्स क्लबा वतीन 12 डिसेंबराक चिखली वाठारांत 11वें गोवा रिव्हर मॅरेथॉनाचें आयोजन केलां. मॅरेथॉनाक चिखली पंचायत मैदानाचेर सुरवात जातली आनी थंयच समाप्ती जातली. SKF इंडिया लिमिटेडाचे वेवस्थापकीय संचालक मनीष भटनागरान हे विशीं माहिती दिली.
ह्या वेळार 3 मॅरेथॉनाचें आयोजन केलां. हातूंत 42 किलोमीटर फूल मॅरेथॉन, 21 किलोमीटर अर्द मॅरेथॉन आनी 10 किलोमीटर सर्तीचो आस्पाव आसा. हाचे खेरीत 10 आनी 21 किलोमीटराच्या प्रमोशन रन्साचो आस्पाव आसा. मॅरेथॉनात वांटो घेवपाक इत्सूक आशिल्ल्या एथलीटांनी गोवा रिव्हर मॅरेथॉनाच्या वेबसायटीचेर वचून नांव नोंदणी करूं येता.
No better day to organize a press conference than when we are celebrating the 70th year of our club, the Vasco Sports Club. So it's a kind of a double advantage for us here. I must first of all thank SKF, Shri Manish Bhatnagar ji, for believing in the Goa River Marathon, believing in us, believing that it's a good run and being honored to have you as a title sponsor, sir. We wish that this association goes on for many more years. As already said by Sanjeev, you have seen the route. It's absolutely a brilliant run along the coast. The event will be held on 12th December 2021, having 4 categories: the full marathon, the half marathon, the 10 kilometers, and we call this as the fun one walk, the 5 kilometers, where members of the community, old and young, participate. Subject to the SOPs and subject to the government guidelines, we'll be having limited editions, keeping in mind that we have to obey and we have to take care of all the government SOPs that may come up during December. But keeping all that in mind, we are hopeful of a good participation. We are hopeful that the runners will come out and support this run they have been doing for the last 11 years. We hope that we get as many runners. We can't quantify the runners here, but we get as many runners. And the most important is that the rule or the SOPs would permit 100% vaccinated runners only on a first come, first served basis. So registrations opening from tomorrow. I would like to call upon all runners from all parts of the country to participate, register for the Goa River Marathon. On behalf of the club again, thank you for attending this, and I wish that we see all of you on the 12th of December at the Chikalim grounds, the venue of our Goa River Marathon.
First of all, congratulations on your 70 years.
Thank you.
I think it's just, I don't know of many sports clubs in the country who can claim that they're 70 years young. So congratulations, and Nitin, Rakesh, Sanjeev and everyone here in the audience from Vasco Sports Club, very hearty congratulations. For us, when we began talking to the Vasco Sports Club about sponsoring this run, it was really first and foremost the fact that this is truly a run organized by runners for runners, and that was important to us. The sense of community that the erstwhile editions have shown, and the kind of participation that we've seen, and the kind of reviews we've got and we've heard about the early editions, it was a no-brainer for SKF to be associated with this run. So we are excited about this. We wish this run great success, and to Nitin's point, we hope to be partners with this run for many, many years to come.
Thank you, sir.
COVID or no COVID.
Thank you, sir.
But once again, thank you for being here, all of you, and we hope many of you in this room will also join us for the run.
The beauty of our run, as you all know, it's always a closed road, and that's what we manage. A beautiful run for the runners without traffic, and only the sight of the sea and the trees and the greenery. So I think that's quite unique if you look at many other runs in India. We can boast of providing that for the runners. And another good thing is it's going to be quite shaded all through the run because there's a hill on the other side. So for a runner's point of view, for the full marathon, which is always the toughest event for all marathon events, it's going to be, even though the route is tough with a lot of hills, it's going to be quite pleasurable running on our route. So we welcome you all. There's going to be only limited numbers. considering the SOPs. So to register as soon as possible because it's all going to be on first come first.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान श्यामचारी.